So here I am. I'm gonna change the distributor of my Gt40 engine, nautique. My old one was, I cleaned it up, but it was really messy and rusty and didn't had a good ignition. So I was looking for a new one, and if you buy an original one of nautique, the original distributor, you have to pay like $500, so that's a lot. So I was going to search on this number, the E9TE12127CA, and then I found that it's the undercarriage, the underblock, how do you call it? I'm not English from original, but it's from Ford Bronco. So I found it. So if you're gonna look at the automotive parts, you can find exactly the same. I think this is aftermarket. So the only other piece is this thing is longer, but I don't think it has any effects on the ignition. And so yeah, let's try it. I'm gonna change it and then let's start it up. So yeah, I thought I'm gonna share this with you guys because it can save you a lot of money for people who doesn't know and they order a $500 ignition, and this one was I think about $100. So yeah, you can buy 5 of these for one original. So but I took already the old one out. I didn't film that, but if you look, I put the thingy on the marking, and then the first cylinder, it's on the left bank from this side, is on the top side, the, how do you call it in English, top dead side, something like that. So then I pulled the distributor out. I marked on the air intake this where was the rotor was pointing on the cylinder 1. So I gotta do this with one hand. I'm not a YouTuber, professional YouTuber. So now we want it to go in the same way, of course. So mostly when you slide it in, it has to go on the wheels. So when you slide it in, it will turn like, how do you call it? If you pull it in and you slide it in, then mostly it slides in the wheels. Then it goes like almost like that part. So I hope I can film it, but I'm gonna try it. One moment. So as you can see, the distributor cap is standing the number 1. That's your first cylinder. It fits only one way. So oh man, it's so clumsy with one hand. So I put a little mark on it over there, a little scratch. Then that's where I have to put the rotor on. So it has to go around this way. Oh. Okay, now like I said, it will turn like a, maybe I can film it like this. Then it falls down quick, maybe like this. Yeah. I got one hand too short, but I'm trying. I'm gonna first get it. So like here is the mark I put on, if you can notice that over there. So I'm gonna turn it like, it's a little gas, so like sometimes it takes 3-4 times. So you slide it in like this, let's take a look. And a little wiggle. You know what I mean? Look, there it falls in. So as you can see, I push it in. See, it turns. It looks pretty cool to me like this. So maybe it's my lucky day. Well, there's the number one, and the number one is like over here. Normally I do this with two hands, but quite logic. Right there, so maybe I can turn it a little bit. Oh, it looks pretty cool to me. There is the mark on the intake. So if you take a look, I can adjust the timing a little bit. So maybe I'm gonna try this one. But yeah, that's the way how you do it. But yeah, most importantly, the thing is that it will run with this automotive part. So I'll keep you guys updated, and then we'll see.